In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Wise as payment method on Shopify. This is a helpful setup when you want customers to pay you using Wise through a bank deposit method. You will simply add it as a manual payment option in your Shopify admin, and then customers will see it at checkout. To begin, log into your Shopify admin. Once you are on the main dashboard, you will find a section called Settings. Go ahead and open Settings. From there, look for Payments. When you click Payments, you are taken to the page where Shopify manages all payment methods you can accept. This is the right place to add a manual option because it controls how payment choices appear for customers. After you are in the Payments area, scroll until you see Manual Payment Methods. This part of the page is where you can add payment types that are not automatically processed through online gateways. Take a moment to confirm you are looking at the Manual Payment Methods section, since that ensures you are adding the correct type of payment. Now click Add Manual Payment Method. This opens the option to select the kind of manual payment you want to use. Shopify will guide you through the selection and the details needed for customers to complete payment. Selecting the correct option here matters because it determines what instructions customers will see during checkout. Next, choose Bank Deposit. This tells Shopify that the customer will make a transfer through their bank to your Wise account. Once you select Bank Deposit, the page will show text boxes for the bank transfer information. These fields are where you enter the deposit details that customers need in order to send money correctly. At this point, you will paste your Wise account number and routing details into the text boxes. Use the exact information required for the bank deposit so the transfer reaches you without confusion. If the screen shows multiple fields, match each piece of information to the correct box. For example, the account number should go into the field labeled for that purpose, and the routing details should go into the routing-related field. As you paste the details, take a quick moment to review what you entered. Check for typos, missing digits, or extra spaces. Even small formatting mistakes can cause issues when customers attempt to pay. When everything looks correct, you are ready for the final step. After confirming the details, click Activate Bank Deposit. This enables the payment method on your store. Activation is what actually turns the new option into something customers can select at checkout. Once you activate it, Shopify saves the settings, and the bank deposit option becomes part of your available payment choices. Now you may want to take a brief moment to ensure the payment method appears as expected. Depending on your store setup, you can review the Payments page to confirm that the bank deposit method is active under Manual Payment Methods. This gives you confidence that customers will see it correctly when they place orders. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know to add Wise as a payment method on Shopify, from opening payments and settings